Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey, my name is Shika, and on today I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my master bedroom. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Washing my sheets on my bed. You guys know I'm in the middle of like a transition situation in here, so disregard, the walls are getting painted tomorrow. Super excited about that. And just kind of button up the trim. And you guys, this is my desk situation. Now y'all, I'm painting this door too. See this door? See, you guys kind of see it. Look at that. Changing the hardware. Yeah. So anyway, I got distracted. This is my little desk situation. It's not even been plugged up yet. Because I gave my son my desk, which was the other part of this L shape here. It's in his room now. So I had to buy me a new desk, you guys. So I'm gonna put it together today, you guys. It just came from my desk. I purchased the desk from Target. You guys, it's heavy as freak too. Yeah, it's so freaking heavy. So I purchased it from Target. It was $85, and I had a $5 off gift card at Target, and then I had another $25 off gift card from Corner, something like that. Yeah, so I ended up getting the disc for like $60, y'all. $60. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to slide it in, y'all. It's so freaking heavy. So let me try to slide it in so you guys can see it. We're gonna put that together today as well. So let me try to grab the disc from my side. Let me first get the rest of this laundry. Y'all, this freaking thing is so heavy. Y'all, this thing is so freaking heavy. UPS, the FedEx man, no, he could have helped me put this to bring this thing in. This is the dish, y'all. Look how freaking cute that is. I'm gonna get like a cute little upholstered chair. It's gonna be so cute. So this is the desk. I got it from Target. Oh yeah, I'm out of breath. Whew. Yeah. That is the desk, y'all. We're gonna put that together today. Alright, y'all. So I brought the desk in. Y'all, that thing is heavy. Y'all, this bed is y'all, this bed is so freaking heavy. Like, dreading this thing so heavy. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to hang up the artwork that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I paid $59.99 for them. No, $69.99 for both. They were they were 50% off their artwork, so I got 2 of those for the price of 1. I'm just gonna hang those up, and I'm just gonna show you guys a little trick that I used. I normally kind of figure out how high I want it to go. Then I use the kind of the painter's tape on the back of it to make the holes, make sure that it's even across, and that the holes are gonna be even across the wall. So I'm just gonna hang up both pieces of the artwork to kind of frame out the bed. So that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, so I'm putting everything together. So welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm putting together like the bedding. Again, the bedding may change a little bit towards the end of like the actual primary bedroom makeover, but right now I'm pretty much using what I have. I added one pillow that I got from Target that I showed you guys in my my home decor haul. So I had one pillow that I purchased from that I have on the bed, and then also I'm going to be changing out. Let me show you guys. So I think I'm going to be taking these and putting these original ones back on here. I'm gonna see how that looks. So the design I think I'm doing is the 2 pillows down laying flat. So you guys can see those, and then I'm going to put 2 26 by 26 in front, and then 3 20 by 20 pillows in front. That's going to be the kind of look I'm going for. Originally, you know, I had 3 26 by 26 and then 2 of the 20 by 20s. I don't like the way it looks anymore. I'm going to try to change it up. I don't like the way it looks. I just want to do something different. So I'm going to do 2 and then 3 across the front, and then 1 lumbar pillow in front of it. So see how that looks, and see, let me we'll see how that looks. I don't know, I'm saying it out loud. I don't know if it's gonna look right. Let's see how it's gonna look when I kind of put them on now, because I need to go and pick up another pillow anyway from the store, and then we'll see. Let's just kind of play around and see. All right, so I'm just putting them Lord, can I talk? I'm making the bed up, and then I kind of will start kind of playing around with it. So Target. Remember, I used to have the tan one, cream looking one, like I think it's oatmeal is the color. But I moved that to Cameron's bedroom, so now I'm going to be using this darker tone in my room. heavy here. I just don't like the way it looks. So I think I'm gonna go back to the original and then do 3 of these, 2 of these size, and then 1 of those, because the way this looks now is just, it's not right. I'm not liking, I don't know, I'm not liking the way it looks. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you guys like the idea of having the, oh, sorry, like the idea of having the 2 big ones at the back, the 3, and then the 1 lumbar? Let me show you the other option. I'm not really feeling it. I don't know, something about it is just not right. I think it looks better. Yeah, it looks better. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Now I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum and sweep, clean my rug, and put these back in the thing. We're not gonna use these. And then I'll kind of give you guys like an overview of what it looks like. Yeah. So let me go ahead and get the stuff out to clean the carpet. And then I'll show you guys like what, oh, did I show you guys the curtains? Let me see. These are what the curtains are looking like, y'all. I'm obsessed. Still let me know in the comments below, you guys. I'm still looking for what to do here. I know I don't want another bench because the other bench I had was just too bulky. I'm thinking about 2 chairs or 2 oversized ottomans. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Yeah, because I'm still on the fence on what I want to do here. Yeah, so I'm thinking about 2 upholstered chairs, and I'm gonna put a picture like here somewhere you guys can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. And then let me just go ahead and kind of get everything but put away, and I'm gonna clean the carpet, and then I'll show you guys what everything is looking like for part 1 of the bedroom makeover. And I don't know if I told you guys, but obsessed with this artwork. It came from Hobby Lobby. Buy one get one 50% off. Yeah. Oh no, they were off. They were 50% off. So I ended up paying $69 for both. And I feel like they anchor the room so well. They kind of go and tie in with the lamps that I have from, what are these from? Studio McGee. I picked these up from Target. Yeah, and I just put them on to the core books just because they sit really low and it kind of looked awkward. So I think I like the way they look here. And you guys know this is the DIY nightstand that I did. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. Let me go ahead and pull it so I can clean the carpet. And I'll kind of give you guys like a full rundown on what to expect for part 2. Alright, you guys, and this is the before shot of how we look. Again, we were pretty much using everything we had. We just kind of added a few pieces to give it a refresh. So this is what it looks like before. Alright, you guys, this is the after for part 1. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Chic family. I'll catch you guys on part 2. Bye.